Yeah, man. Just a little preview of what's coming up, man. Pop that shit. I wanna know will you be down for me? This is something that we just keep fighting. I'm writing this right now. Tonight. I wanna know will you be down for me? This is something that we just keep Don't ask me, baby girl, you should know. I'ma hold this shit down everywhere we go. I'm feeling you. Or maybe it's the Hennessy that got me thinking that maybe you and me can have the better things. Everything seems right cause you's a go-getter. You's a bad bitch, you don't fuck with broke niggas. Nah, she don't fuck with broke niggas. She kept it real and came to fuck with a loaf nigga. She my main and she hold shit down. Shit ain't changed when the fast came, she held her ground. I got booked when she held me down. I'm out now, baby, I'm running to town. You ain't even gotta ask me once. I got your cack in your front for all the shit that we been through and all the shit that you done. So I could ever fix my mouth and tell you no. That wouldn't be Tony Lowe. Damn. I wanna know will you be down for me? This is something that we just keep